Welcome to MadeCV.com.
Yes.
What is your name and nationality?
Shahzad Aziz from Pakistan.
How old are you? Your age?
Yeah, 29, 30 years.
Okay, are you single or married?
Yeah, single. Yeah,
Okay, so when would you be able to start working?
yeah, immediately.
Okay, do you have relatives here in UAE?
No.
Please describe your last job. What was your last
Yeah,
job?
Dragnal City Cargo Transport. As a driver.
You work
company
as a
driver.
company driver?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you know the roads in Dubai?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, which areas of Dubai are you most familiar with?
Yeah, any area. Halls.
Okay, so what are those?
Yeah, Mardaf,
Nurdir?
Arabian Ranches,
Mm-hmm.
Dubai, International City, Jumeirah,
Okay.
yeah, Marina Dubai.
Okay. So are you ready to perform housekeeping chores inside the house?
No.
Okay. What is the speed limit on Sheikh Zayed Road?
Yeah, maximum 100.
Maximum 100. Okay. What would you do if your phone starts ringing while you are driving? What are you going to do? Are you going to answer or not?
No.
No. Yes, because if you don't have a headset,
Yeah.
you don't have to answer. Or if you want to answer, you have to stop. Okay. So, what kind of a driver are you? Describe yourself.
Yeah.
What kind of a driver are you?
Yeah, all driver, company drivers.
You work how many
Yeah,
years?
10 years, 9 years here to Dubai.
10 years and 9 years here in Dubai. So
Yeah.
you have a long experience as a
Yeah.
driver and you're
Yeah.
familiar with the roads in Dubai.
Yeah.
Okay. So please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Yeah, I am good driver for 10-year experience here. So please, you give me, I want job driver.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you.
Yeah.
Thank you for MadeCV.com.
Thank you.